In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the CrowdStrike blue screen error in a quick and easy way. In the automatic repair screen, first click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press the F4 key. Open a folder. Open this PC. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the System32 folder. Open the Drivers folder. Open the CrowdStrike folder. Now locate and delete the following file. Restart your PC. Now your problem should be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.